Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making a quick yet satisfying breakfast. Sausage and potatoes breakfast. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We're going to start by getting our ingredients together. A little pepper. A bit of crushed red pepper flakes. And some sea salt. We have some breakfast sausage. Of course, use your favorite brand. People can get a little funny about their breakfast sausage brand, if you know what I mean. Next, we're gonna slice up some mushrooms that have been cleaned and patted dry. We're also going to thinly slice some red onion. Next, we're going to brown our breakfast sausage. Once that's nice and brown, we're going to give it a good drain. We're going to move it to a plate and set it aside. Go ahead and get our butter in the pan over medium-low heat. And we're going to get this butter melted. We're just going to stir it around and help it along the way. And our onions to the pan. And we're going to stir that around a little bit. Then we're going to add the salt. The pepper goes in. Now the crushed red pepper flakes. Stir that in well. Now this is our shortcut. We're going to use diced new potatoes from a can. I'm going to open this can. And we're going to get those in there. And we're going to cook these until the potatoes start to become a little brown. They're already cooked. Now we're going to add the sausage back. Mix it all together. And that's the dish. For more recipes like this, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Alright guys, that's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.